Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I prepare this delicious tasty pap, keep watching. So what you do is to place your pap on a clean bowl, then add a little water and stir it. So you keep adding the water bit by bit till your pap is smooth. Not too watery, not too thick. Just somewhere in between. But make sure you're adding your water bit by bit, because if you go ahead to add at once, it might be watery, and at the end of the day your pap will come out watery, which I know you might not like. So that is it. You can see I'm adding my water, and I'll go ahead and turn it. You can see how it is right now. I still need to add a little bit water because it's somehow on the thick side. So I added a little water and then stir it. Stir it properly. By now your hot water should be boiling. Your hot water should be boiling. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go and get my hot water. If your hot water has been boiling for a long time, just leave it down for some seconds, then go ahead and turn the pap again. Do not just go ahead and pour the hot water without turning the pap, because immediately you leave the pap, the pap is going to settle down, so and it will not be good. So make sure you stir it, then after stirring it, immediately you go ahead and put your hot water. And when pouring your hot water, make sure you turn it round so that it's like the hot water touches every part of the plate. So, and the color is going to change a little bit, as you can see. Then the next thing is for you to go ahead and turn. So when turning, if you feel that it's too thick, you can go ahead and add more hot water till till it gets to the way you want to take it. Some like theirs watery and some like theirs thick. So that's that. The next is to just go ahead and pour it into the plate that you used to serve. Just pour it into the plate. After that, you go and get your milk. You add your milk. Here I'm using a condensed milk. So you can decide to use powdered milk, whichever one you want to use. So that's that. I'm using raw sweetened condensed filled milk. So that's that. As you can see, our meal is ready. You can actually decide to take your pap with akara, beans, or moi moi. I'm taking mine with akara, so whatever rocks your boat, just do you. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video, do have a lovely day. Bye bye.